Hello, my name is Lalo from Kruger Paws, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to replace a pad on your boot. And if you don't replace the pad on your boot, this is the end result, which is not safe or good. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to apply the pad onto the bottom of the boot. So first, you check the size of the pad, verify the size to the size of the boot. So this is a size 8 Performer, so I will take out the size 8 pad. Take the pad, check it, make sure it's good. See the bottom of the boot, so I have the right boot, so I will stick the right pad to the bottom of the boot. Start at the bottom and apply the pad like so. As you can see, starting from the bottom and going up. And make sure the pad fits properly, and there you go.